What can people do here? Rio Salado Habitat Restoration Area. Judy Hedding. The Rio Salado Habitat Restoration Area has programs, typically in the non-summer months, that allow people to enjoy and learn about the area in a variety of ways. People of all ages, including children, can find programs to enjoy including bird walks, bike rides, interpretive hikes, and arts and crafts programs. There are hikes with dogs, art sessions, junior ranger programs, sunset hikes and special annual events relating to the project. Cleanup projects are ongoing and always could use volunteers. You can peruse the list of classes and programs that are held at the Rio Salado Habitat Restoration Area online and register for them there. Some programs have fees and some are free. The Rio Rambler Program offers those with their own horses an opportunity to ride on the 10 miles of trails within the restoration area. You'll find a water trough, hitching posts, horse trailer parking and restrooms at the Equestrian Trailhead at 2801 South 7th Avenue. Like to hike on your own? Go to it. There are several trailhead access points at the Rio Salado Habitat Restoration Area. Rio Salado Habitat Restoration Area factoid: at the monthly guided bird walk, park rangers will lend you binoculars if you don't have your own.